Unlocking the secrets of floral design, tips for beginners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we dive into the beautiful world of English and its myriad expressions. Today, we're exploring a fascinating and colorful topic: floral design tips. Whether you're a budding floral enthusiast or simply curious about how to enhance your spaces with flowers, this video is for you. Let's embark on this floral journey together, learning not just about arranging flowers but also enriching our English vocabulary and understanding along the way. Floral design, at its heart, is the art of creating beauty with flowers. It's about more than just putting flowers in a vase. It's about communication, emotion, and expression. Through floral design, we can convey messages of love, sympathy, celebration, and more. This section will introduce you to the basic concepts and vocabulary of floral design, such as arrangement styles, color theory, and the significance of different flowers. Before diving into creating your own floral masterpieces, it's crucial to know about the tools of the trade. In this section, we'll cover the must-have tools for any floral designer, including scissors, floral foam, tape, and wire. Understanding how and when to use these tools will not only make your floral design work easier but also elevate the quality of your arrangements. Now that we're familiar with the tools, let's learn some foundational techniques. We'll discuss how to prepare flowers for arrangement, the basics of creating visually pleasing compositions, and tips for ensuring your flowers stay fresh longer. Key techniques such as layering, balancing, and focal points will be highlighted, helping you to create arrangements that are both beautiful and long-lasting. Floral arrangements can vary widely depending on the theme or occasion. In this section, we'll explore how to choose the right flowers and design styles for various events, from weddings and funerals to holidays and personal gifts. Understanding the symbolism and appropriateness of certain flowers can enhance the message you wish to convey, making your floral designs more meaningful and impactful. For those looking to take their floral design to the next level, this section will delve into advanced techniques and creative ideas. We'll talk about innovative uses of materials, incorporating non-floral elements, and experimenting with color and texture contrasts. These tips will inspire you to push the boundaries of traditional floral design and create unique, eye-catching arrangements. Thank you for joining us on this floral adventure. We hope this video has not only introduced you to the joy of floral design but also helped you to learn some new English terms and expressions. Remember, floral design is an art form that allows for endless creativity and personal expression. Don't be afraid to experiment and make your floral arrangements truly your own. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more English learning content. Until next time, happy designing!